Dear friends, this is H.C. Verma, physics professor. This entire nation is under a big crisis because of this coronavirus. Everyone knows that. The entire government machinery and other organizations, NGOs, they are all fighting this battle. The most important thing is crisis is very big, but the solution seems to be very simple. Just to stay home. Our Prime Minister and all celebrities are appealing repeatedly just to stay home and let the machinery work to contain this coronavirus and fight this out. And we are very, very sure that we will indeed win over this. Now, staying home is definitely a big contribution in this fight, but a bigger contribution can be made by us. Staying home, if we enhance our competence in this period, then after this coronavirus episode is over, this reconstruction of nation building, we will be contributing much more if we become competent enough. In various areas, people are trying to do that. And in education, the IIT Kanpur Center for Continuing Education has come up with a very special course for all students of schools, colleges, universities, all physics teachers, all physics lovers. The name of the course is Stay Home and Revise Physics. And if you abbreviate, it is SHARP. So it's a SHARP course. Stay Home and Revise Physics. And I will be giving this course. Essentially, it is a 2 months course, 8 weeks, and 24 lectures of roughly half an hour each. And the specialty of this course is, this course is learning physics through simple experiments. That is the theme, learning physics through simple experiments. Now the experiments are so simple that even a child of age 13-14 years can reconstruct the experiment. Most of the experiments can be reconstructed very easily and people can learn from that. Therefore, class 8 students, class 9 students, class 10 students, they can also look at this course, participate in this course, learn the experiments, the excitement of experiment, and many new questions will come up and all those things that will be done. The explanations of all these experiments will be at a somewhat higher level most of the time, say +2 level, or sometimes even higher. So the students of higher standards, +2 or BSc or physics teachers, they will also gain from this particular course. So essentially in each lecture there will be some 3-4 very simple experiments, and then the physics of it. And once we get into the discussions, once we get into the physics of it, then a lot of physics learning and physics revision will take place. Therefore, I invite everyone, all students, millions of students who are forced to stay home, they can use this opportunity to enhance their physics. So the site is phy.hcverma.in, phy.hcverma.in. You just open this site on your mobile phone. There's another specialty of the course that you don't need any infrastructure to do the course. You only need a mobile phone with internet data connection. You just open this website phy.hcverma.in and get yourself registered. And then all the lectures will be available one by one, of course, one by one, 3 lectures in a week. So you can look at the lectures, you can repeatedly see it, you can form your own ideas, and then you will have questions. You can text the questions from your mobile. The questions will reach me. I will try to answer as much I can. Your fellow participants of the course will also answer. So those kinds of discussion among the participants and with me will take place during this 8 weeks. and I am very sure that everyone will enjoy, learn, and revise physics. Thank you very much.